Hello? Hello?
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, madam. Anupama, madam. Hello?
Hello?
Madam, I'm the host of it, madam.
Hello?
Madam, Anupama, madam.
Sir.
Host నాకు ఇవ్వండి మేడం. ఇప్పుడు నా 12:40 క్లాస్ నాది కదా.
No, sir. According to new timetable, Srinivasa sir is there. Right now, Muniraj sir is taking, sir.
Today is Saturday, no, madam.
Yes, sir. Saturday.
Today Saturday at 12:40. Is it scheduled for who, madam?
Sir, CSC A section, sir.
Yes, CSC A section only, madam.
Just a
CSC A
minute.
section. Who is taking the class, madam?
Muniraj sir, sir.
Muniraj sir. I will let you know, madam. Okay.
Sir?
Is Muniraj sir is came to take the class, madam, right now 12:40.
Sir is in meeting, sir. Just a minute, sir. Just a minute, sir.
Please make a confirmation, madam.
Yes, sir. Sir. Hello?
బాగుంటాడు కదా.
Hello?
Madam.
Sir, you can only take the class, sir. Sir said you to take the class. Sir left the meeting, sir.
Okay. Shall I continue the class, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, you can make me host, madam.
Okay, sir. Once I made you host, you have to record the video, sir, session.
I do not have settings. You are the host, madam. In the settings,
Yes, sir. I will make you host, sir. Then record the session, sir.
No, I do not know how to record all these things, madam. I'm just taking the class from the past 3-4 days, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir. I already recording, sir. Okay, sir. Continue.
Fine, fine. Madam.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Hello. Five not 1, 509. Can you hear me? Hello, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the what is an entrepreneur, what is the mindset of the entrepreneur, what are the challenges and opportunities faced by entrepreneur, and how to become a successful entrepreneur. What are the basic qualities required to become a successful entrepreneur? So these are the things that we are going to discuss in our today's session. Let us start our session. I think this is CSCA, right? CSCA section. So what is an entrepreneur? So according, so every person, every human being will be having every human being will be having a different perception, a different actually entrepreneur is in his own words, right? So according to some authors, the entrepreneurship, the true entrepreneurs are resourceful, passionate, and are driven to succeed and improve pioneers and are comfortable fighting on the front line. So fighting on the front line is what is the word fighting on the front line. So whenever you start a business, whenever you have decided to start a business, whenever you're going to start a business or whenever you want to become an entrepreneur, initially in the initial stage, as a human being, you'll be having many risks and you need to face many risks from the family side. There will be some socio-economic problems and there will be problems from the government side also. So whatever the hurdles may be, it may be hurdles initial stage or the hurdles may occur after 2 years or 3 years or 5 years, right? So as you are the owner of the, hello, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, as you are the owner of the company, so you should stand first as the barrier. You should stand first as the barrier to fight for any types of problems that occur during the process of building the organization, right? So there might be many risks. So there might be many risks whenever you start a business under any stage of life. Under any stage of life, there might be many risks and hurdles that you are the barrier, as you are the owner of the your company, you need to fight. You need to be ready to take quick decisions instantaneously and without any hasty decisions must not be taken. The great ones are ready to be laughed at and criticized in the beginning. It means that so whenever you start a business, no one will encourage you to start a business. The only reason, why is the reason? What will be the reasons why your parents are not encouraging for you to do the business? Please let me know. Can you hear me? So initially, whenever you start, whenever there are two,
Hello,
there are
sir.
there are two things for hello.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. Sir, just make me host, sir, once.
Okay, madam. Yes, I did, madam.
1 minute, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right, madam. Okay, so for any person in life, for existence, for survival, we have only two things. One is we should hunt for job, right? One is doing the job. Once you get the job, you'll get right salary, and you can survive easily your life. If you don't get job, or if you want to start your career without job, the other option we are having is business, right? So whenever you want to start a business, no one will encourage you to do business. So each and every person around you will encourage you to do job. Each and every person around you, including your parents or your friends or relatives or any advisors, will give you suggestions only to do job, but not uh, ask you to start a business. What is the reason behind it? Why every person will ask you to do job? Why not business? Can you please share me your idea? Can you from your point of view? Why? What is the reason? Are you there, students? Are you listening? So from your idea, from your perception. So if you want to start your career as a businessman, or if you want to build your career for to build up a good organization or a company, in the initial stage, everyone will laugh at you and criticize you that you're going to you have launched a unsuccessful product, you have launched an unsuccessful company, right? Where there will be huge loss will be there, and no one will trust you at the initial stage. No one will trust you at the initial stage. People start criticizing you, right? So what is your education qualification? What are the why you are in spite of your educational qualification, you are doing business. So in this perception, everyone will be criticizing you. Suppose if you have did your BTech degree or MTech degree, so everyone will expect you to do a fine software job or a government job. Right? So no one will expect you an MTech employee, an MTech completed guy or MTech completed student to start a business. Right? So initially, what other people expect is a person who did is BTech or MTech must do job. So this is the main motto of 90% of the perception of the human beings around us. Right? So only 10% of the people around you will encourage you to start your career as an entrepreneurship. Right? So initially you might face many hurdles, you might face many hurdles and risks. Okay, so the great ones are ready to be laughed at and criticized in the beginning because they see their path ahead and are too busy working to work. So an entrepreneur is a business person who not only conceives and organizes ventures, also frequently takes risk in doing so. Right? So every day, every month, or every year, after 2 years or 3 years or 5 years, risks are common in any field. Not only as a business person, even when you go for when you are even when you select your career as a job, even when you career your when you select as a career as a business also, in every path of life at different stages of life, risks are common in any field. It may be marketing field, it may be hospital field or healthy field, right? It may be any business field, right? Any field, any field, risks are common. How to face the risk, how to face those challenges in life, in different stages of life is very important. So how tactfully and how smart you are to solve those problems. So solve those problems is very important in life. So not all independent business people are true entrepreneurs, and not all entrepreneurs are created equal. Right? So no person is born as an entrepreneur. No person by birth is an entrepreneur. Right? So we need to build ourselves. We need to build our career through our ideas. We need to build our career through our ideas, and taking ideas is from the childhood is an our career, and we need to become a successful entrepreneur through our ideas, through our innovations, through our network capabilities, through our attitude, through our behavior. Right? So there are many things to be considered whenever you start a business and how to grow the business. Okay. So there are different degrees or levels of entrepreneurship intensity, and drive depend upon how much independence one exhibits, the level of leadership and innovation demonstrated. So the first basic thing one, uh, the first basic requirement of an entrepreneur to become successful is, but he must not be a leader. Right? So it is not a position, right? So leader is not a position; it is just a responsibility, right? So the owner of the company is not he is not a leader generally. It's a good responsible position for the growth of the company and also for the growth of the employees who work for him simultaneously. Right? So both the employees and the company must grow simultaneously according to the sharing of each ideas among themselves. Right? So how much responsible every person around you is also one important parameter to be considered while growing for the growth of the organization. That's how others interact with you and how others' ideas are useful to you. So at what level those ideas are can be tested or can be implemented successfully is very important for the growth of the entrepreneur. Right? So my question here is, every person will be having some vision. Right? So every person will be having some vision. So without vision, you cannot start any organization. Without vision, you cannot grow your company or office. Even if you start you start a small business also in your street, it becomes a big innovation. Right? It can be turned. You can multiply the business. You can multiply the business after 1 year or 2 years. Right? So before starting a business, you should have a vision. What is your vision according to you? May I know? Please let me know what is your vision. Please speak out. What is your vision? Dear students, can you hear me? Hello? 547, 511, 501, 502. Can you hear me? There is some network issue here. The Wi-Fi connectivity has been connecting and disconnecting here. So it will be connecting and disconnecting automatically. So that's the reason why the voice is breaking here. What is your vision? Please let me know. There are 37, 35 participants here. There are 35 participants, 35 students have been attended today, but there is no response from any one of you. Are you listening? Just kept your mobile aside. 65?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear.
Yeah, what is your
Yes,
vision?
sir.
What is your vision, Mr. 565? May I know your name, please? 565, may I know your name?
Himatas, sir.
What is your vision? Do you have any vision? Are you interested to start your career as a job or entrepreneur? Please let me know. It must have, this session is it's a general interaction session. So from your point of view, if you say something so that I can give some ideas, I can give some points which will be useful for your career. If you don't, it must not be unidirectional, right? The interaction must be bidirectional. Is there anyone interested for to become a successful entrepreneur? So every semester we are having classes. Every semester we are having Excel classes, experiential engineering education, learning classes regarding the entrepreneurship, regarding the product development, regarding the prototype, regarding the project-based learning and the research-based learning. All these will be helpful for your career. All these topics will be helpful for your career. Even during the process of BTech or after the BTech also, you can make all these points noted. You can save it in your brain. Here, so no one is answering. Let me say, what is my vision? So I would like to say my vision is to provide a healthy food, a clean air and water for the safety of the society. Okay, so my vision is to provide a healthy food, to provide a clean air and water for the safety of the society. This is my vision. Okay, so to satisfy my vision, what I'm going to do, what are the actions I'm going to do, and how I'm going to implement all those things. This is what my vision is. Right? So, if you got my point, what the exactly the vision is, you can deliver yourself. You can say what actually your vision is. So, what you are going to do in BTech, what you are going to do after BTech, how your life will be after BTech after 5 years. May I know your vision? No one is answering. Don't you have any vision? What you are going to do after your BTech? Why did you join your BTech? What you are going to do after BTech? How your life is going to be after 5 years and 10 years? Okay. Now the next point to be noted is the economic development of a nation depends upon its industrial development. So even if you start a small business, that will be provide employment for many other persons around you, right? So it may not be a big industry. So don't think that you should start a big industry initially, right? So you must go step by step. You must go step by step, step one, step two, step three, step four. So there might be many steps for the growth of the success. Directly don't go to the step 10 or the step 20. Okay, so initially you slow and steady wins the race. So there is a proverb that slow and steady wins the race. Okay, so you need to go step by step for the growth of the success. Okay, so you start a small business, a small investment. Right? So slowly after 1 year or 2 years, you either modify or you're providing food, shelter, and clothing for these 10 employees for their families also. Right? That means indirectly you are also responsible for the growth of the employee also. Parallel, you are providing indirectly opportunity for the employees also. Okay? So because of those employees, their families are surviving. So even a small scale industry or a big scale industry, so both are will be helpful for the economic development of the nation. So the industrial development is based on the entrepreneurial competencies people. Hence, the concept of building entrepreneurship promotion is a need. So every person will be defining the entrepreneurship in different way. So basically, this entrepreneurship has come from two different, has been taken from two different words. One is entrepreneur and the underman. Both means to undertake the business. That means entrepreneurship means to undertake the business. To undertake the business. And another author, two authors in the year 1891 by names Bygrave and Hofer, they define entrepreneurial process as involving functions, activities, and actions associated with pursuing opportunities and creating organizations to follow them. So every person define entrepreneurship in different method. Okay, so these people Bygrave and Hofer, they defined as entrepreneurship as functions, activities, and actions associated or building organizations or multiplying organizations to follow them. So this is one uh, definition for the entrepreneurship. So in another way, entrepreneurship, it is the act of being an entrepreneur, which can be viewed as one who undertakes innovations, finance, and the business acumen in and transform innovations into economic goods. So this is another definition for entrepreneurship. So who undertakes innovations? So that means whatever the idea that you got from the problem, that idea can be converted into innovation. Okay, so whenever you go into villages, there might be plenty of problems in villages. There might be plenty of problems in the society. There might be plenty of technical problems and non-technical problems where human beings are facing. So from that problem only, you can get a brilliant idea. That idea can be converted into innovation. Okay, so for that innovation, you need to plan how you can achieve, how you can implement that innovation, how you can implement that innovation. So what are the actions, what are the functions and activities, what are the parameters that required for that innovation? It depends upon your network capabilities. It depends upon your network capabilities. Right? So Peter Drucker proposed that entrepreneurship is a practice. So what this means, entrepreneurship is not a state of being, or it is characterized by making plans that acted upon. So entrepreneurship begins with action with function, or creation of new organizations. So you are the boss for your company. You are the boss for your company. That is indirectly you are creating a new organization. Even a small room with 10 computers becomes an office or organization. So don't think that organization means there must be very big buildings. There must be 4 floors of buildings. There must be hundreds of people. There must be thousands of employees must be working there. Right? It's not necessary that the organization must be very big. Right? You can start your organization with a small building or a room also. It becomes a company or office. Right? You need to slowly expand the business. You need to slowly multiply the business, or you need to build your organization in a bigger way by seeing your vision in a bigger picture. Okay? So, but when individuals create a new organization, they have entrepreneurship paradigm. That means every organization will have new paradigms. Paradigms means methods. That's the approach, the methods will be different. The method of business or the technical standards or the programs they use will be different from organization to organization. Okay, so every organization is not same. Their culture is different. Their method of approach is different. Okay. Being an entrepreneur is not just starting a business. It is about having attitude or drive to succeed in business. Right. So being an entrepreneur is not just starting a business. It is about having attitude and drive to succeed in business. So what is the meaning of attitude? What do you understand by the word attitude? Please let me know, students. 515, 513, 565 participants. What is the meaning of attitude? What do you understand by the word attitude? Is it a small word or a very big word according to you? Please speak. Don't do Google. Please speak out something. What you know. If you do not speak, you will not get job, right? So whenever you attend an interview, if the questions are being asked by some others, if you are silent, will you get job? Yes, students, did you understand my question? Whenever you attend an interview, the interviewer will ask you some questions, 5 to 10 questions. If you don't answer and just keep though you know the answer, but you are feeling shy to express the answers. Right? You are feeling shy to express your answers. If you keep even the right answers in your brain without speaking, will you get the job? Whatever is there, the other persons will not know whatever is there, whatever the content and the information, whatever the knowledge is there in your brain, right? So your knowledge, the knowledge which you are having, the knowledge which you are having must be shared to all other persons, right? The knowledge which you are having must be, you should share with the knowledge which you are having, you should share with all other persons around you. Okay, so the attitude, it is nothing but the way you behave with others. Attitude is nothing but the way you behave as the with others. So that means whenever you are going to start a business, whenever you are going to start a business, you have an idea to start a business. As you are an entrepreneur, you have some vision, right? So as you are having a vision, you should share your vision with the employees which you are going to recruit. Suppose if you are going to start a small business or as an entrepreneur, and you are going to recruit, if you are going to recruit 10 employees in your organization, so at least 10 minutes or 15 minutes you need to do interview with the employees. Why? Because you do not know the goals of the employees. You do not know the vision of the employees, right? So first you should listen to what the employees will say. So as an interviewer, as you are the boss of the company, right? So whenever you are going to do interview 10 employees or 20 employees, you should know the ideas. You should know the ideas of the employees. Right? So what is their vision? So what they are expecting to join your organization? What are their expectations? Right? So if they like your vision, if they like your vision, then they will work hard for the growth of the organization. Right? If they like your vision, then they will help you. Then they will help you in many ways for the growth of the organization. Okay, so ultimately, whenever you're going to start a business, your vision has to be shared to the employees. This is one case which has been one point to be noted. And in another way, even as how the owner of the company is having a vision, as how the owner of the company is having vision, in the same way, just 1 second, as how the owner is having the vision, the same way the employees also will also be having some vision, right? The employee who is going to join your organization will be having some vision, will be having some goal, right? So that goals, whichever that goal of the employee must be, the goals of the employee must be satisfied by the organization. Right? Whatever the goals of the employee, suppose there is an employee, if he is having some goal, that organization must be helpful to satisfy the goal of the employees. Right? So either the organization must be helpful for the growth of the employees, or the goals of the employees must be useful to the organization. In both the ways are true. Okay, so either the organization must be useful to the employees. The organization must be useful for the growth of the employees, or the goals of the employees or the goals of the employees must be the organization must satisfy, right? The goals of the employees or the ideas of the employees, right? So must be useful to the organization, must be useful to the organization. So in both the ways are true. So some of the employees after 5 years, they want their life to be beautiful, or even after 5 years or 10 years, right? So they don't. No employee is a standard. No employee will work for more than 5 years or 10 years in the same company, right? So their dreams they might be differently for every employee, right? So as how the entrepreneur is having a vision, in the same way the employees will also be having some goals and some vision, right? So to satisfy some of the employees, what they will do is some of the employees to achieve their goal, they will join the organization. To achieve their goals, they will join the organization. They learn all the works. They gain some knowledge from the organization. After 5 years, these employees also, to satisfy their own vision, they will go and start a new business, right? So in this way, an entrepreneur has to recruit employees so that the vision has to be shared to the employees, so that the employees the employees might be helpful for the growth of the organization. So in both the ways are true. The next point, see here on the screen, you can see here successful entrepreneurs like the ambitious Richard Branson have an inner succeed and grow their business rather than having Harvard business degree or a knowledge in a particular field. Right? So here you can a point has to be noted here. So to become a successful entrepreneur, education is not mandatory, right? How you behave with others, whatever the ideas, or how you are going to function, how you are going to build your ideas, how you are going to implement is very important. Okay, so you can see around the world only there is only 80% of the population are doing business, only 20% of the population are only the employees or the job doing persons. Okay, so in the globally, if you observe carefully, the global market, so 80% of the people are doing business and only 20% of the people are doing jobs. Okay, so your degree is just a piece of paper, right? Your BTech degree or MTech degree or any education qualification, MBA and MCA, it is just a piece of paper, right? So you can observe around you people who are very talented, very highly talented people are hunting for jobs, are running for jobs. But indirectly, you can also observe that untalented people who don't have jobs, who have money, they're providing jobs. Okay, you can observe around you, talented people are hunting for jobs, are running for jobs, and untalented people, though they don't have talent, though don't though, though they don't have any education background, they are giving employment for these talented people. They are providing employment for these talented people. Right? So here, it doesn't mean a degree. Degree does not give. Degree is just a piece of paper. You remember all of it. Degree, your BTech degree, or MT degree, or MBA, or MCA, it is just a degree, right? Degree is not necessary for doing business, right? The way you behave, the way you take decisions, functions, activities, implementations, your network capabilities. So all these are responsible for a successful entrepreneur. Okay, so here entrepreneurship is a mindset more than anything. Now let us see what are the basic qualities to become a successful entrepreneur. So what are the basic qualities required to become a successful entrepreneur? The first one is a dreamer. So that is a big idea of how something can be better and different. Right? So a dreamer, that is a big idea of how something can be better and different. It means that your idea is different from others. How your idea is different from others, right? So that smaller idea or a bigger idea becomes a bigger innovation. Okay, a big idea of how something can be better and different. So how the idea is useful for the public. This is the main objective, right, of the entrepreneur. So your dream must be very big. Your dream must be very big or small, right? Like a vision, right? Your vision must become true. Whatever the vision you are thinking, that vision has to make it true in a real time, in a real life, through actions and implementations. So if there is some vision for you, so what you need to do is first you put it on a paper, right? So whatever the vision may be, or whatever the vision you may be, you write it on a paper. And the second thing what you should do is uh, that vision you must write it on your you may write it anywhere. That vision has to be written anywhere. That means in your room, in your office, or on your car, or in your bike, on your notes, on your hand, or somewhere, right? So at any point of time, whenever you see that vision, so automatically your mindset will be changed. So whenever you see the vision, automatically your mindset will be changed, right? Your dreams will come true, right? So whenever you are going to dream a big idea, so whenever you got an idea, that idea has to be converted into innovation. So that idea can be converted into innovation. It depends upon your vision. So that vision has to be written on a paper. First thing. The second thing is that vision has to be written on the walls of your house. You write the vision. So early morning when you wake up, you should see the vision. Right? So early morning when you wake up, you should see the vision. Right? Seeing the vision, you will get an idea. Seeing the vision, you will get an idea how to do, how to make it successful, how to grow, right? How to do it. Because these are the things to be remembered for as a dreamer. And the second point to be noted is inner drive to succeed. Entrepreneurs are driven to succeed on their business. They see the bigger picture and often very non-entrepreneurs set massive goals for themselves and stay committed to act them regardless of the obstacles they get into the way. So inner drive to succeed is one of the basic quality for an entrepreneur. Right? So there might be massive goals. That means the goals might be modified. So ultimately you are looking at a goal. But entrepreneurship in the long run, in the 1 year, our goals will be changed according to the situations that are happening around you, according to the environment or according to the conditions of the other companies, according to the technical aspects, right? So according to the obstacles and hurdles you face, that goals will be changing continuously. Okay, so never come back. It's a never-ending process. It's a never-ending process. Okay. The next one is innovator, and the next one is innovator. So all entrepreneurs have a passionate desire to do things better to improve their products or services. They are constantly looking for to improve. They are creative, innovative, and resourceful. Okay, so all entrepreneurs have passionate desires. That means whenever you design a product, you have to successfully launch into the market. So what is you need to know what is happening around the market. Right? So after 2 years or 3 years, your product may not be helpful for the public. So what you should do, to modify the product. You need to modify the product. Just a live example I can say. So 20 years back we are using Colgate toothpaste. Right? So the same Colgate toothpaste has been modified with many different names, with many different colors. So 20 years back Colgate is only white color. After 5 years they have modified the toothpaste with the blue color. And after for 2-3 years they have modified the toothpaste with the red color. Right? And after another 2-3 years, the same Colgate product is modified as the word Colgate Plus. Okay, you can change, you can see the changes, what is happening with the product, right? So the Colgate color has been changed to white, has been color changed to red, and red color has been changed to blue color, and they have changed the name as Colgate Plus. And again, they have added some salt to the Colgate that they have specified the name as a Colgate salt. So like this, there are many modifications and updations have been happening for the same product that has been launched by the Colgate company. Right? So like this, you need to constantly change the product that you have launched. Right? So you should not stop. you should not stop with the same product always. Right? You need to constantly change. You need to go according to the technical qualities or technical requirements, technical and non-technical standards which are followed by the globally. Okay. The other qualities which are helpful for a successful entrepreneur: ability to organize. Ability to organize. He should be able to organize various factors effectively. Right? He has to understand all the aspects of the business. He has to understand all the aspects of the business. So as you are the owner of the company, right? So what all the small points, what are the all the ideas given by the employees must be taken into consideration. Right? It's not though you are the owner of the organization, it must not be one way. It must not be one way. Right? All the ideas must be expressive. All the ideas must be bi-directional. All the ideas must be bi-directional. Right? So as you are the as you are the owner, you need to consider all the points. You need to consider all the points of all the suggestions given by the employees. Right? This is one of the basic qualities, that is ability to organize. Right? So you need to define some policies. You need to define some policies, and that policies has to be followed by your fellow employees. Right? For your fellow employees, or in the coming days, or after 1 year or 2 years, whatever the policies and guidelines you have defined, that policies have to be followed and implemented by all the your fellow employees, right? And your successive organizations also must you should your policies must be as an inspiration for the other organizations also. Next one is passionate. Expressive, so the idea creates energy and resonance with others. Right? You should express in a way. You should express your passion to build your organization, right? So that becomes a positive energy, that brings a positive energy for the employees who are working for you. Okay, so always you must be expressive, you must be energetic, you must be active. Right? The owner of the company must not be lazy. Right? So whatever your thinkings, ideas, you must convey to your employees each and every day, so that a positive energy will be created in the mindset of the your employees. And a risk taker. So another quality of the successful entrepreneur is risk taker. So he pursues the dream with all the resources lined up, and the distributes the risk over a network of capabilities. In short, he should be bear a risk and uncertainties. So they might be taking you might be a risk taker. Uncertainties and hurdles are common in every path of life. So it may be in the whether you are doing job or whether you are going to start a business. So risk and uncertainties and hurdles and problems are common in every path of life. Right? You must be ready to handle those risks smartly and smoothly. Smartly and smoothly. Right? So if you suppose if you talk to your employees very harshly, what they will do? They will not work for you smoothly. Right? Even they have knowledge, they will not share. They will not help you for the growth of the organization. Right? So if any employees do some wrong, if you misbehave with the employees, they will not help you for the growth of the organization, right? So they will not help you for the growth of the organization. So you should talk and you should behave carefully with your employees, and you should share your ideas smartly, and you should have excellent communication skills to communicate your idea with your co-employees, with your friends or employees who are working for you. Okay, so this will be advantage for you for the help for the growth of the organization. Another quality is a decision maker. So one has to write the decision at the right time. As you are the boss of the company, you should take the decision instantaneously uh, without any delay. So if you don't take your decisions wisely, instantaneously, without and if delay is increased, what happens? You will get less profit. You will get less profit from the product. Whatever the product you have launched into the market, there will be loss on the project, right? So it will increase the cost of the project. It will reduce the profits. So indirectly, the profits will be reduced if they increase the cost of the project. So whatever the decisions you take, the decisions has to be taken wisely for the growth of the organization. Right? Hasty decisions must not be taken. Hasty decisions, and there must not be any delay in the taking the decisions. Right? You are the decision maker. So the total loss will be a total loss on the organization. And as a owner, it's your responsibility to take the decisions wisely. The next one is continuous learner and openness to change. Right. So whenever you just now I told you an example. Right. So whenever like, you launch a product into the market, that product has to be updated for every 5 years or 2 years. Right. 2 years or 5 years. Right. So the best example I just now I told you that Colgate. Right. After 5 years, the name is modified as Colgate Plus. And after 5 years, the same name is modified as Colgate Salt Active Plus. Right? So similarly, the similar example can be taken by an entrepreneur also. You must be a continuous learner. So what is happening around you? What the standards, technical standards is followed by the other organizations. Those technical organizations must be included in your organization also. Right? So whatever the suppose if you learn today C and C++, from the past 20 years, everyone is learning C and C++. And currently, everyone is going for Java. The next, currently, some are learning Python. Because every 5 years, the technology is being changed, right? So if you learn C and C++ and if you stick to C and C++, after 5 years, the C and C++ will not work out. Then what you should do? You should learn Python. You should learn Python, or you should go for the other technology, right? So you need to go according to the global standard. So what are the methods followed by the global standards? Life is a continuous learning process, right? Life is a continuous learning process. If you don't update or if you don't upgrade, you will be outdated, right? If you don't update, you will be outdated. The company will be vanished completely. Best example, another example is Nokia company. Right, so Nokia ruled the Nokia mobile phones ruled the world. They did not update according to the technical standards. They did not use the smartphones. They did not upgrade the smartphones. They were used only the keypad mobile phones. They were constantly using only the keypad phones only. So after 2010, launched the smartphones. Everyone started using the Samsung smartphones. Like, finally, Nokia did not update to the global standards. That is, it did not use the operating system. It did not update the mobile phone. They were still using the keypad phones only. So like this, as how the Nokia company have been vanished, the Samsung have been upgraded. Samsung have been updated and they are upgraded their products and the services. So as an entrepreneur, you need to know what are the technical standards followed by the global organizations, and you need to go accordingly. You need to go accordingly. Hence, life it is a continuous learning process. Everyone we need to learn new technologies according to the requirements, according to the basic requirements of the company. And we shall continue the next session, the entrepreneurship mindset, in the next session. So I'm going to take the attendance. Please wait for 2 minutes, all of you. Please wait for 2 minutes. I will take the attendance. Just wait, all of you. Don't go. Don't leave. I'm taking attendance. I request all of you to specify your roll numbers only. Don't specify your names. So whenever you are going to enter as a participant, whoever numbers are there, those attendance will be considered. Whoever enter your names, those attendees names will be ignored. Their attendance will not be considered here. Only the roll numbers will be considered here. Don't enter your this Bharadwaj, Ansikaryan, and Mr. Balraj. Please enter your roll numbers, please. All of you. Don't enter your names. Whoever enter your roll numbers only, their attendance will be considered. Okay. Thank you.
Finally, my name is Entrepreneurship, and I'm going to make a picture. And I'm from the Department of University, Asia. And my topic as process is that the process will be in a unified services. So the outcome we're going to get from this process, that is process in a unified services, is that we can develop our ability to look at the schematic and see the circuit work in our mind. The outcomes we will achieve from this topic is, and students will be able to understand are some points about the circuit theory and electric theory. And the second one is that incoherent. That means the illogical statement of electrical and electronic media. And the third one is that the statement about circuit theory. And the last one are some recommendations for restructuring. In the content, we're going to know about are the first is obviously the introduction. The second one is the electric theory and circuit theory. The third one is about the incoherent. Fact and circuit. Eighth one is resistance capacitor circuit. Ninth one, Faraday's law. Tenth one, ninth one.
Hi students, good afternoon. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Did you completed TCS Code Vita registrations? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
How many members completed from your session? How many members completed? CR. Hello. Who is the CR of this class?
Ma'am,
How many members completed, ma'am?
they're raising hands in the chat box, ma'am.
Only one person. Okay, 12, 65, 56, 44. What about remaining? Hello. 10 members completed. What about remaining persons? You have any problems? Hello. Number 10.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Are you completed registration?
Of them completed. Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
A few of them completed.
Number 1. Finite 1. Hello. Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you complete it?
Yes, ma'am.
9, 11, 14,
Yes, ma'am.
17, 21, 22, 23, 25, 27. This person not raising the hands. That's why I'm asking. Today is the last date, ma. Today is the last date. Try to complete the registration process. Okay, you have any doubts? Contact me. Okay. Okay, please all of you register the TCS code Vita. You know process? Not registering students. You know process of how to register the code Vita? Hello. Please respond. Okay. Today is the last date, ma. Try to complete the registration. Don't miss the opportunity. Okay. Okay. Today I will start the class. How many programs are completed in Build IT? Hello.
Completed with basics and controls, madam.
Basics and
Controls.
control structures also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, all of you open Build IT. Hello. Are you completed all programs in control structures?
Yes, madam.
Girls,
No, ma'am, we didn't complete.
how many completed?
10 programs completed, ma'am,
Only 10.
in control structures.
Okay. How many members are completed total 30 programs in control structures? Raise your hands.
Ma'am, you said about code beta registration. No, ma'am, it is not coming, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, even it is not coming for me.
It is showing that this page isn't responding.
Not responding.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will check that.
దాంట్లో తీసుకో ఆ 2 రూపాయలు ఇచ్చేసి చిల్లర తీసుకో మాస్క్ కాదు 2 రూపాయలు
Please mute, ma.
2 రూపాయలు కాయిన్ పోయింది కదా
This is the registration process PDF, ma. First, you have to create the TCS ID reference. Okay. In this TCS ID reference, this is the first step. Copy and paste this link. Take new tab.
Ma'am, we can't see your screen.
Okay. I will share you. Now it's visible. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Open అవుతుంది కదమ్మా చూడండి ఫస్ట్ రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్రియేట్ రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి which site is not opening? Hello.
Ma'am, once try to click on information technology.
Okay. Right. Okay. The next page will appear like this.
I'm not getting it like that, ma'am.
You have any network issues?
No, ma'am, no issues.
Can you share your screen?
Oh, yes, ma'am. I'll on my camera, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see this?
మీరు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయండి అమ్మా నాకు ఇక్కడ విజిబుల్ అవుతుంది
Okay, ma'am. మ్యామ్ మీరు స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ ఆపితే నాది అవుతుంది మ్యామ్.
ఓకే మీరు షేర్ చేయండి.
మీ స్క్రీన్ ఇంకా వస్తుంది మ్యామ్ మాకు.
ప్రాక్టీస్. Okay, just a minute.
Ma'am, now I got it, ma'am. హలో, నెంబర్ 50 మీకు వస్తుందమ్మా? వస్తుంది మ్యామ్ ఇప్పుడు.
ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఓపెన్ బిల్ ఐడి.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I'm not getting it, ma'am. It is showing this page isn't pressed.
Showing what
Ma'am.
errors? చెప్పండమ్మా.
మ్యామ్ ప్రొఫైల్ ఎంట్రీ ఫిల్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ నేమ్ ఫిల్ అవ్వట్లేదు మ్యామ్.
మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే నోట్ ప్యాడ్ తీసుకొని నోట్ ప్యాడ్లో మన ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ నేమ్ టైప్ చేసి అది కాపీ చేసి అక్కడ పేస్ట్ చేయండి. ఓకే
ఓకే మ్యామ్. ఓకే మ్యామ్.
నోట్ ప్యాడ్లో టైప్ చేయండి ఫస్ట్. ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్? హలో. Please respond. Any problems? Registration problems? Okay, fine. All of you open build IT. Okay, how many programs are completed? How many numbers completed? 10 programs. Please raise your hands. Hello. How many of you completed 10 programs? Only 2 numbers, 65 and 50. Number 9. Number 2.
Ma'am, ma'am, question number 24 and 25, can you explain it, ma'am?
Okay, I will explain.
In basics.
Basics. Okay. How many members are completed 20 programs? 20 programs, ma. How many members are completed 20 in control structures? Only 2 persons, 65 and 9. How many members are completed at least 30 programs in control structures? Only 65. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయమంటారు? హలో గర్ల్స్.
లెవెన్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయండి మ్యామ్.
ఓకే. బేసిక్స్ లో 24, 23.
24 and 25.
ఓకే. Bitwise operators.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Program to shift inputted data by 2 bits to left. Okay. These programs belongs to Bitwise operators. Okay, I will explain. Here we have Bitwise operators to perform the mathematical operations. Okay, by using Bitwise operators, we can perform mathematical operations, addition, subtraction, like these operations. Okay. Bitwise means binary format. Bitwise means I will explain through example. Okay. Bitwise operators are bitwise AND. This is the AND operator. Okay. And next bitwise OR operator. This is the AND operator. A and D. AND operator. This is the OR operator. Okay. And this is the jar operator. This is the jar operator, XOR. Okay. And next, this is the ones complement. Ones complement. Okay. And this is the left shift operator. This is the left shift operator. Okay. This is the right shift operator. This is the right shift. Okay. These are the bitwise operators. By using these operators, we can perform the mathematical operations. Okay. Here, how to perform the mathematical operations by using these operators. Okay. First operator, here our program. What is our program? Program to shift inputted data by 2 bits to left. Okay. That means here you have to use the shift operator. Which shift operator? Left shift operator. Okay. You have to use the shift operator. I will explain. Just a minute. First, I will explain AND operator, and after that, I will explain shift operators. Okay. First, I will explain 25th program. This is the first one, and after that, I will explain shift operators. Okay. Here, this is the program. Program to use bitwise AND operators between two integers. Okay. Here, we have to perform the AND operation between the two integers. Okay, these are the sample input values. Okay, here we have to apply the AND operator in between these integers. Okay, 8 and 4. Sample output is 0. Okay, I will explain first how to work with AND operator. Okay. Okay, here the input values are 8 and 4. Okay, here in this program, the input values are 8 and 4. Okay, first we have to find out the binary format of 8 value, and after that we have to find out the fourth value, binary format of 4 value. Okay, first we have to find out the binary format of 8. Okay, here our binary format follows the formats like that: 4-bit binary format or 8-bit binary format, 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit. Okay, these are the bit formats. Okay, these bit formats follows the 2's complement. 2's complement. Okay, here I will take simple 8-bit format, 2 power 0. Here our binary format starting with like this: 2 power 0, 2 power 1, and 2 square. Okay, and 2 cube, and next one 2 power 4, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. Okay, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 6, and 2 power 7. Okay, here this is the binary format. Which bit binary format? 8-bit. 8-bit means 8 values. Okay, here each and every value, total these values are total 8. Okay, 2 power 0 is the 1 bit, 2 power 1 is the another bit, 2 square is the second bit. Okay, and next one 2 power 3, 2 power cube is the fourth bit, 2 power 4 is the fifth bit, 2 power 6 is the sixth bit, 2 power 6 is the 7, 2 power 7 is the 8 bit. Okay, these are total 8 bits. Okay, you have to calculate the integer value 8. How to calculate? First, evaluate these values first. Okay, 2 power 0 means 1, 2 power 1 means 2, 2 square means 4, and 2 cube means 8. And next one, 2 power 4 means 16, 32, okay, 64. Okay, and next, what is the value? 128, 128. Okay, first you have to find out the 8 value. What is the 8 value here? 2 cube. Okay, please enable the 2 cube bit. Remaining all are zeros. Okay, remaining bits are zeros. Please enable the given integer data bit. Remaining all are zeros. Okay, here this is the 8 value, 8 integer value. Okay, and after that find the 4 integer value, 4 binary format. Okay, please enable the 4 value. Here what is the 4 value? 2 square bit. It is just 2 square bit. That's why enable this bit. Remaining all are zeros. Remaining all bits are zeros. Okay, first you have to find out the binary format of given integers. Okay, here 8-bit binary format is like this, and 4-bit binary format is like this. Okay, and after that apply the AND operator in between these integers. Okay, okay, before going to AND operator is nothing but a truth tables. Okay, and truth table or truth table, అలాగా మనకి ట్రూత్ టేబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదండి. జస్ట్ మినిట్. ట్రూత్ టేబుల్స్, ఇది చూడండి, ట్రూత్ టేబుల్. This is the AND operator truth table. Okay, if the A and B both are false, zeros means false, 1 means true. Okay, if the both are false, the output also false. First one is false, second one is true, that condition also false. And first one true, second one is false, the output also false. If the both are true, that time it will return the true. Okay, this is the truth table and truth table. Okay, this is the R truth table, this is the jar truth table, this is the NOT. Okay, by using these truth tables we can find the output. Okay, okay, apply the AND operator. Okay, here both are zeros, here both are zeros, that's why the output also 0. That means both are false, it returns the false. Here this also both are false. Both are false. That's why it returns false. Okay. Here, observe the next one. First one 0, second one 1. Okay. False and true. It returns the false. Okay. True and false. It returns the false. Okay. And both are false 0. Both are false 0. Both are false 0. Okay. In the AND table, if the condition both are true, then that will return the true. Remaining all cases are false. Okay. This is the AND operator using in between the integers. Okay. Are you understood? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the AND operator ma. అట్లానే మీరు ఆర్ ఆపరేటర్ యూజ్ చేసి కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఆర్ ఆపరేటర్ ట్రూత్ టేబుల్ ఏంటి? దిస్ ఇస్ ద ట్రూత్ టేబుల్. ఓకే. బోత్ ఆర్ జీరోస్, ఇట్ విల్ రిటర్న్ ద 0. 0 and 1, it returns 1. 1 and 0, it returns 1. Both are 1 also, it returns 1. Okay. Apply the R condition in between these integers. Apply the R condition. Apply the R condition. Both are 0, 0. Here also both are 0, 0. 0 and 1, it returns 1. 1 and 0, it returns 1. Remaining all are zeros. Remaining all are zeros. Okay. This is the R operator. Okay. How to write the code? This program. Simple program. Here we have to take 2 input variables. Input variables are 2. First variable is a int input. Okay, b equal to int input. And after that, write the print. In this print, directly apply the logic. A ampersand b. 8 and 4. Okay, it returns the value 0. Okay, completed?
Yes.
Okay. And next one, shift operator. Okay. Here, program to shift inputted data by 2 bits to left. Okay, here we have to use the left shift operator. Okay, by using this left shift operator, we have to move the bits 2 bits left. Okay, 2 bits left. చూడండి షిఫ్ట్ ఆపరేటర్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద లెఫ్ట్ షిఫ్ట్ ఆపరేటర్. ఓకే, హియర్ you have to take binary format. Bitwise and program or bitwise and program number 12. Okay, I will show you once complete this program is completed. I will show you. Okay, Here I want to take binary format. Two square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. This is the 8-bit binary format. Okay, 0 to 7. Okay, here our left shift operator starting with first position. Okay, here our shift operator. What shift operator? Left shift operator. Starting position is 2 power 0. Okay. Here, what is the program? Here, what is the program? Shift inputted data by 2 bits to left. Okay. ఇక్కడ మనల్ని ఏం చేయమన్నారంటే 2 bits to left move చేయమన్నారు. Actually, our shift operator located at 2 power 0 position. Okay. Here, what is the theme of program is, here you have to move the shift operator from this location. Here you have to move the shift operator 2 bits left. Okay. Left means here our evaluation, this is the left. Okay. Here we have to shift the operator from left to right. This is the left. This is the right. Okay. This is the right. You have to shift the operator to 2 bits left. That's why here ignore the middle of 2 bits. Middle of 2 bits. Directly it shifted to 2 cube bit. Okay. Directly it shifted to 2 cube bit. Here what is the present value of 2 cube bit? 8. Okay. That's why it returns the value 8. Okay. That's why it returns the value 8. Okay. This is the simple program. That's why here write the code. Write the code. Here take one input variable a equal to int input. Okay. Here print a 2 bits left. Okay. Here a value also 2. Okay. What is the value here? 8. It returns the output 8. This is the simple program. 2 lines code. Okay. Are you understood? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Go to previous program. And operator program అడిగారు కదా and operator program ma bitwise and operator. Try to complete this program. Bitwise and operator completed. Number 12. Bitwise and operator. Number 44, gross salary na. $23. Gross salary program చూడండమ్మా డౌట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు. Program to find gross salary. Here this is the formula of how to calculate the gross salary. Gross salary equal to basic salary plus DA plus TA plus. Here this is the formula basic salary plus DA plus TA. Okay. Here these are the conditions how to calculate the DA and TA. Okay. DA is 10% of basic salary. Okay. DA is 10% of basic salary and TA is 12% of basic salary. Okay. DA is 10% of basic salary. This is the condition. And TA also 12% of basic salary. First, you have to calculate the TA and DA separately. Okay. And after that, find the sum of gross salary. Okay. What is the gross salary formula? Basic salary plus TA and DA. Okay. Okay. Here this is the sample input. Okay. This is the sample input. The sample output is 122. Sample input means here we have to take basic salary as input. Okay. Here we have to take basic salary as a input variable. Okay. Basic B equal to int input okay, and after that you have to calculate the TA and DA. Okay. First DA you have to calculate the DA. DA is 10% of basic salary. Okay. Find out the DA. DA equal to 10% of basic salary. B into 10 by 100. Okay. And next TA. TA equal to basic salary into 12% by 100. Okay. And after that finally calculate the gross salary. Gross salary G equal to DA. First basic salary B plus DA plus TA. Okay. Finally print the G, gross salary. Okay. Here 100 input. Okay, mention the Okay, here output is 122. Okay, here you have to display only integer part. That's why take the int. Okay. Okay, 44 completed. Number 44. Any doubts in basics? Hello. Can you respond? Any doubts in basics?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next program. Okay, I will started with 11th program in control structures. Okay, control structures. First program. Program to find given number is prime or not. Okay, input should be one number, output is either prime or not prime. Okay, this is the problem statement. Okay, here our task is we have to find out the given number. Okay, given input number is prime or not. Here we have to find given input number is a prime or not prime. Okay, here they will given they are already given 23. Okay, here 23 is a prime number. Okay, the sample output is prime. Okay, what is meant by prime number? What is meant by prime number? What is meant by prime number? Anybody? What is meant by prime number? Hello. What is meant by prime number?
Which has only two factors, that is 1 and itself.
Okay, good, exactly. Okay, prime number is a number. This number having only two factors. Those are 1 and itself. 1 and itself. That's why here our task is we have to find out the given input number is a prime or not. Okay, here prime number having only two factors. That's why here we have to count the factors of prime number. Okay. Here I will take examples. 5 is a prime number. Okay, and also 7 is a prime number. Okay, what are the factors of 5? What are the factors of 5? 1 comma 5. Okay, and what are the factors of 7? 1 comma 7. Okay, here observe the factors. Here first factor is 1, second factor is itself. First factor is 1, second factor is itself. That's why here prime number having only two factors. Only two factors. That's why write the code. Here observe the sample input here. The sample input is only one number. That's why here we have to take one input variable. This variable also integer variable. Okay. And after that, here we have to count the factors of prime number. Okay. Here prime number having only two factors. Okay. That's why here you have to take one variable. That variable is count variable to count the factors of prime number. Initially the count variable initialized with 0. Okay. And after that, use for I in range. Okay. I in range. In this range, I values are starting with 1. Okay. And ending with n plus 1. Okay. Our I values are starting with I1 and ending with n plus 1 value. Okay. And here write the condition. To calculate the prime numbers. Okay. What is the condition? N percentage I equal to 0. N percentage I equal to 0. That time you have to count the factors of given number. Okay. మీరు ఏదైతే ఇన్పుట్ వాల్యూ ఇస్తారో, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 23 అనుకోండి, 23 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 4 అనుకోండి, 4 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 6, 7, 8 మీరు ఇన్పుట్ ఏ నెంబర్ ఇస్తే ఆ నెంబర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తుంది. ఆ నెంబర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి ఫైనల్లీ కౌంట్ రిటర్న్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే. C equal to C plus 1. Okay. And after that, our condition is if C equal to 2. మన prime factors ఏంటి? Prime number having only two factors. That's why what is the condition? The count. When the count is 2, that time you have to print prime. Okay. You have to print prime. Otherwise not prime. N capital, not prime. Okay. This is the simple program. Prime or not prime program. Okay, I will take online detail. Okay, syntax. Okay. 23. 23 is a prime number. Okay, this is the simple code. Finding the given number is a prime or not. Okay, try to solve this program. ఇక్కడ ఈ కండిషన్ ఎలా చెక్ చేస్తుందండి? I will explain. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నా ఇన్పుట్ వాల్యూ 5. For example, my input value is 5. Here I want to find input value 5 is a prime or not prime. Okay. Okay. C is 0 and go to next step. Here I values are starting with 1 to n plus 1. N plus 1 means up to 6. That's why it taken only 1 to 5 numbers. Okay, how to calculate this logic? Okay, here n value is 5. N value is 5. It calculates like this. N value 5 percentage. Here I value starting with 1. Okay, and after that 5 percentage 2. 5 percentage 2, and after that 5 percentage 3. Okay, and after that 5 percentage 4. Okay, and after that 5 percentage 5. Okay, ఇట్లాగా మనకి లూప్ లో ఎన్నైతే ఐ వాల్యూస్ ఉంటాయో ఆ ఐ వాల్యూస్ అన్నిటితో మనకి పెర్ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది. ఫైనల్లీ ఇట్ రిటర్న్స్ ద కౌంట్. ఓకే, ఇట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్స్ ద కౌంట్ యూజింగ్ కౌంట్ వేరియబుల్. ఓకే, our condition is our count is 0. Our count is 2. When the count is 2, that time print the prime, otherwise not prime. Okay, ఇక్కడ చూడండి 5 కి మనకి కౌంట్ ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ వచ్చింది? కౌంట్ 2 టైమ్స్. ఓకే, 5% 1 అప్పుడు 0 అవుతుంది, 5% 5 అన్నప్పుడు 0 అవుతుంది. దట్స్ వై హియర్ ద కౌంట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ number is 2. That's why 5 is a prime number. లేకుంటే 4 తీసుకోండి. 4 క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ రేంజ్ ఐ వాల్యూ స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ 1 ఎండింగ్ విత్ 5. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మీకు 4% 1, 4% 2, 4% 3, 4% 4. ఓకే, అప్ టు 4 వరకే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఆల్రెడీ 1 ఈజ్ ఏ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ 4, 2 ఈజ్ ఏ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ 4. ఓకే, 4 ఈజ్ ఏ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ 4. టోటల్లీ హౌ మెనీ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్? 3 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్, 1, 2, 4. ఓకే, దట్స్ వై 4 ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్. 4 ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద సింపుల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. Okay, completed. Hello, girls, are you completed? Hello, respond. Hello, girls. How many of you completed? Please raise the hands. No one completed. Hello. How many members completed? Please raise the hands. Number 17. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
14. Number 21.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
10. Number 10. Number 10. 1, 2, 5, 7,
Yes, ma'am, completed.
8. Number 8. 9. 13.
Ma'am, completed.
14. 28, 32, 34, 35.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
61, 64, 65.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Move to next problem. Program to count all prime numbers between n0 and n1. Okay. Program to count all prime numbers between n0 and n1. The given range in the sample input 5 and 10. We have to find the prime numbers in between 5 and 10. Okay. Here the sample output is 1. Actually 5 and 10 in between prime numbers are 5, 7. Okay. Here what is the output? Only one number ani chupistunare. Here they given count. This is the count ma. Prime numbers ni count chestunaru. Kabatti here we have two numbers in between 5 and 10 prime
Ma'am,
numbers.
between 5 and 10, only one prime number, ma'am. 7.
Only 7. 5 to start cheyva.
They asked between, ma'am. Not
They
to
asked.
consider.
Okay. They asked in between. That's why here only one prime number 7. Okay. That's why the count is 1. Okay. Here, how many input variables are needed? How many variables are needed? Input variables. Two input
ma'am.
variable. Two input variables. Okay. First one is n0. Second one is n1. Okay. Here n0 value is 5. N1 value is 10. Okay. Here, this is the simple program. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, input variable, I already taken two input variables, n0 and n1. Okay. And after that, here I want to count prime numbers in between n0 and n1. That's why I already taken one count variable, that is c. Okay. C equal to 0. And after that, write the for loop. Okay. Here my for loop starting with n0. Okay. n0 and ending with n1. Here I am taking n0 plus 1. Why I am taking? When we are using n0, it counts starting from 5. Okay. But they give an output only one number in between these ranges. Okay. That's why here I'm starting with next number of n0. Okay. n0 plus 1. And after that, my value ending with n1. Okay. And again write the condition. If I greater than 0, I values are starting with greater than 0. If the condition is true, I am starting the J loop for J in range. Here J values are starting with 2. J values are starting with 2. And after that, ending with I. Okay, J values are starting with 2 and ending with I. And what is the condition to count the prime numbers? Okay, here this is the condition. If I percentage j equal to 0, if I percentage j equal to 0, if the condition is true, ఈ కండిషన్ ట్రూ అయితే మనకి ఏమొస్తుందమ్మా, మనకి ఫ్యాక్టర్స్, మనం ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్స్ కి ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, ఈ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అన్ని మనము మోర్ దాన్ 2 ఉంటే నాట్ ఏ ప్రైమ్. ఓకే, మోర్ దాన్ 2 ఉంటే నాట్ ఏ ప్రైమ్. ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఓన్లీ 2 ఉంటే దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్. గివెన్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ ఏ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్. అలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, if I percentage j equal to 0, that time we have to break the statement, and after that else c equal to c plus 1. Okay, that means count the prime numbers and finally print the prime numbers. Okay, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, I will explain. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, 2 input variables. For example, n0 equal to 5. Okay, n1 equal to 10. Okay, and also take count variable initializes to 0. Okay, and next ఏం చెప్తున్నామంటే ఫస్ట్ ఫర్ లూప్ లో I values తీసుకుంటున్నా. I values are starting with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, comma 6. Okay, here what is the n1 value? N1 value. What is the n1 value here? N1 value 10. Okay, మీరు అప్ టు ఎక్కడ వరకు తీసుకోవాలి? 10 వరకు తీసుకోవాలి. 8, 9, 10. ఓకే, 10 వరకు తీసుకుంటే ఐ వాల్యూస్ 9 వరకు తీసుకుంటుంది అది. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ j values are starting with, సారీ ఇక్కడ చూడండి n0 కదా, మనం స్టార్టింగ్ ఐ వాల్యూ స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ n0 కదా, కాబట్టి n0 వాల్యూ 5 కాబట్టి ఇట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 6 నుంచి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తుంది. 6 నుంచి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తుంది. హియర్ ఐ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ ఇన్ n0 వాల్యూ ఈస్ 5. ఓకే, 5 + 1 6 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తుంది. అండ్ j values are starting with 2, and after that 3, 4. ఓకే, అప్ టు ఐ వాల్యూ. అప్ టు ఐ వాల్యూ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఐ వాల్యూ స్టార్టింగ్ ఏంటి? అప్ టు ఐ వాల్యూ స్టార్టింగ్ ఎండింగ్ వరకు తీసుకుంటుంది. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, these are the loop variables. Okay, here what is the condition? I percentage j first calculate with I and j values. First 6% 2. Okay, and again 6% 3. Okay, 6% 3, 6% 4, 6% 4, and again calculate 6% 5. Okay, and again calculate 6% 6, 6% 6. అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఐ వాల్యూ ఎక్కడితో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందో అక్కడ వరకే తీసుకుంటుంది, అక్కడతోనే ఎండ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ వరకు ఇది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తుంది. అండ్ అగైన్ నెక్స్ట్ ఐ వేరియబుల్ ఏంటి? 7 కాబట్టి 7% ఫస్ట్ j వాల్యూ స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ 2. ఓకే, అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ 7% 3, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 7% 4, and next one 7% 5, next one 7% 6, and next one 7% 7, 7% 7. అలాగా 8 కి 9 కి. ఓకే, 8, 9. ఓకే, వీటన్నిటికీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తుంది. ఐ వాల్యూస్ అన్నిటికీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి ఫైనల్ గా కౌంట్ మనకి ఏదైతే 2 వస్తుందో, ఫైనల్ కౌంట్ 2 ఏదైతే వస్తుందో అది 6కి వస్తుందా, 7కి వస్తుందా, ఓకే, లేకపోతే 8కి వస్తుందా, 9కి వస్తుందా, ఇక్కడ కౌంట్ చేసి ఫైనల్ గా ఇట్ విల్ రిటర్న్ ద కౌంట్. ఓకే, c = c + 1, c = c + 1. ఓకే, అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ ప్రింట్ ద c. Okay, this is the program. Prime numbers in between given ranges. Okay, try to solve this code. Here my range is 5, 10. Okay, output is 1. Okay, try to solve this code. Okay, how many of you completed? Prime numbers in between given range.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Remaining.
Ma'am,
Uh,
once can you tell me the sixth one, Monday to Sunday problem?
Monday to Sunday. Okay. Okay, all of you completed 12th program. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sixth program. Okay. The sixth program is program to use switch statement. Display Monday to Sunday based on given choice 1 to 7. Otherwise, print invalid choice. Okay. Here we have to use the switch statement. Here we have to use the switch statement. ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా, మనకి సిలో అయితే స్విచ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఉంది కానీ పైథాన్ లో పర్టికులర్ స్ట్రక్చర్ లేదమ్మా స్విచ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ కి. ఓకే, హియర్ దెర్ ఈస్ నో పర్టికులర్ స్టేట్మెంట్, పర్టికులర్ సింటాక్స్ ఆఫ్ స్విచ్ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ పైథాన్ ఇవన్నీ సి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్, ఇవన్నీ సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ సిలో ఇవే, పైథాన్లో ఇవే, జావాలో ఇవే. ఓకే, అన్నిట్లో సేమ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఇచ్చారు ఇలాగా. ఓకే ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం, ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ని మనము ఇఫ్ అండ్ ఎల్స్ యూజ్ చేసి, ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ లెడర్ యూజ్ చేసి సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, సెట్ యూజ్ చేసి సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, హియర్ దెర్ ఈస్ నో పర్టికులర్ సింటాక్స్ ఆఫ్ స్విచ్ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఓకే, that's why here I will explain using if else ladder, if else ladder. What is the purpose of if else? What is the purpose? What is the purpose of if else ladder? Anybody? Hello.
When we have more statements, we can use that.
More statements, more conditions.
Conditions, sorry.
Okay, okay, when the program having multiple conditions, that time we will prefer this concept. Okay, if else ladder. Okay, here what is the structure? What is the structure of if else ladder? If condition, okay, and after that here print the statement 1 and take one more condition using else if. Here write the condition, another condition. Okay, the condition 1. Okay, this is the condition 2. Okay, print the statement 2. Okay, take one more condition, else if condition 3. Okay, and if the condition is true, print the statement 3. Okay, and number of statements like this. Okay, ending with else statement. Okay, ending with else statement. Here in this else, write the statement n. Statement n. Okay, this is the simple syntax of if, else if, else ladder. Okay, this is the simple syntax. Okay, how to write the program? I will explain how to write the code. Here our program is, we have to print the Monday to Sunday based on given choice 1 to 7. Okay, that means here you have to take the condition 1. If the condition 1, it prints the Sunday. Okay, condition 2, it prints the Monday. Sorry, ఇక్కడ మండే నుంచి కదా మనకి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. కండిషన్ 1 అయితే మండే, కండిషన్ 2 అయితే ట్యూస్డే, కండిషన్ 3 వెడ్నెస్డే, కండిషన్ 4 థర్స్డే, 5 ఫ్రైడే, 6 సాటర్డే, 7 సండే. ఓకే, ఇలా ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలి మనకి. ఓకే, రైట్ ద here how many variables are needed? How many input variables are needed? How many input variables are needed? Only one input variable. Okay, only one input variable. That's why here take one input variable. Take one input variable. Okay, and after that next one, write the if condition. If, in this if, here write the code like this. If n equal to 1. Okay, if n equal to 1, print Monday. Okay, print Monday, and write one more condition using elif n equal to 2. Okay, n equal to 2, print Tuesday. Okay, print Tuesday, and elif n equal to 3, print Wednesday. Okay, elif n equal to 4, if the condition is true, print Thursday. Okay, write one more condition up to 7, n equal to 5, if the condition is true, print Friday. Okay, elif n equal to 6. Okay, write print statement here Saturday. Okay, and elif n equal to 7, print Sunday. Okay, here they given else statement. What is the else statement? If the given input number is a invalid, okay, that time you have to print the invalid choice. Okay, if the given number is invalid number, that time you have to print the invalid choice using else block. Okay, you can write the invalid choice in the else block. invalid choice. Okay, this is a simple program, Monday to Sunday. Run this code. Check the indentations errors. Okay, run this program. Okay, input value is 1. It prints Monday. Okay, input value is 5. It prints Friday. Okay, input value is 8. 8 is not given. That's why it prints invalid choice. Okay, this is the simple program using if else ladder. ఈ మోడల్ చేశారమ్మా? హలో,
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్, అర్థమైంది.
ఓకే. And the another model of multiple conditions. దీనికి అనదర్ మోడల్ చూడండి అమ్మా. దీనికి అనదర్ మోడల్ వచ్చి ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ వన్ ఇన్పుట్ వేరియబుల్. Okay, and after that you have to take one set. Okay, what is the purpose of set? Here we can define multiple objects. Okay, using curly braces. Okay, this is the set M. In this M, here you have to write the conditions within the set. Okay, 1 means Monday. 1 means Monday, comma, and 2 means Tuesday. And 3 means Wednesday. Comma, 4 means Thursday. Okay, 5 means Friday. Okay, 6 means Saturday. 7 is Sunday. Okay, and close the set. Here write the if condition. Write the if condition. In this if condition, the condition is the given input n is available in M set. Okay, this is the condition. Okay, here n is the input. Here n is the given input, is available in M set. If the condition is true, print M set that related statement. Okay, that related input statement. Else here print invalid choice. Okay, this is the simple program using sets. Okay, run this program. Okay, colon is sign. Okay, here give the input 4 is a Thursday. Okay, and input 6 is Saturday. Okay, give the invalid input 9. It prints the invalid choice. Okay, this is the one model. Functions యూజ్ చేసి కూడా చేయొచ్చండి. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కి డిఫరెంట్ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ద బేసిక్. ఫంక్షన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఫంక్షన్స్ లో చెప్తానండి. ఓకే, మీరు ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేశారమ్మా? హలో, హలో, ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ ఎల్స్ ఇఫ్ లాడర్ యూజ్ చేసారా లేకుంటే సెట్స్ యూజ్ చేసారా? హలో,
లిస్ట్ డిక్లేర్ చేసేసాం మ్యామ్.
లిస్టేనా? లిస్టా?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్. లిస్ట్ లో ఒక్కొక్క ఎలిమెంట్ లో మండే, ట్యూస్డే, వెనస్డే పెట్టి ఇంటీజర్ తో కాల్ చేయడం. అంటే లిస్ట్ స్క్వేర్ బ్రాకెట్ 0 అంటే మండే అలాగా.
ఓకే, డిఫరెంట్ మోడల్స్ ఉన్నాయి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ద డిఫరెంట్ మోడల్స్ మా. Okay, go to next program. Arithmetic operations కూడా సేమ్ లాజిక్. సెట్స్ యూజ్ చేసి చేయడం, ఇఫ్ అండ్ ఎల్స్, ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ లాడర్ యూజ్ చేసి చేయడం. We can solve any logic. Okay, next program. What is the next program? Fibonacci series, 13th program. 13th program, Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. Program to print Fibonacci series up to n times. Program to print Fibonacci series up to n times. Here the sample input is 6. Here this is the output format, Fibonacci series format. Okay. Here what is meant by Fibonacci series? What is meant by Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series. Okay, I will explain. Fibonacci series is a series. This series starting value is 0. Okay, first value is 0, second value is 1. In this series, these are constant values. Okay, in this series. First value is 0. Okay. And second value is 1. These are the constant values. Okay. And after that, how to get third value in this series is the sum of before two values. The sum of before two values. That means first and second value. That means 0 plus 1. That is 1. Okay. And after that, how to get fourth value? Fourth value also the sum of before two values. The sum of before two values. Before two values means second and third value. Second value 1, third value 1. 1 plus 1. Okay. This is the fourth value. 1 plus 1 means 2. Okay. And after that, how to get fifth value? The sum of before two values. Okay. That means third and fourth value. 1 plus 2 means 3. Okay. And how to get sixth value? How to get sixth value? The sum of before two values, 2 and 3. Okay. Here 2 plus 3 means 5. Okay. This is the series. This is nothing but a Fibonacci series. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మనకి n వాల్యూ 6 ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి 6 వరకు ప్లేస్ చేసాం. 6 వరకు ప్లేస్ చేసాం. n వాల్యూ 7 ఇస్తే నెక్స్ట్ 7th వాల్యూ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం? ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ బిఫోర్ టూ వాల్యూస్ 3 plus 5 is nothing but 8. Okay. And how to count 8th value? The sum of before two values 5 plus 8 13. Okay. This is the series. This is nothing but a Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is a series. In this series, the first two values are constant. Based on these values, we can find the series. Okay. Write the code. Here, how many input variables are needed? Only one input variable. Okay. Here, only one input variable. Here, this is the size of Fibonacci series. Okay. 6 is the size. Count the numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The size of this series is 6. That's why here input is 6. Okay. Here, this is the size of Fibonacci series in input. Okay. And after that, take the constant values. Okay. Here, I want to take first two elements of this series. These are the constants. Okay. That's why here the first element name is A equal to 0. Okay. Second element name is 1. Okay. B equal to 1. And after that, here we have to find the sum. How to get the next number? The sum of before two elements. That's why here take the sum variable. Sum always initializes with 0. Okay. And after that, here I want to take while loop. That's why here I want to declare the loop variable. Here I values are starting with 1. I is the loop variable. I is the loop variable. That's why I value starting with 1. Okay. Here write the condition while I less than or equal to n. I less than or equal to n. If the condition is true, here print the sum. If the condition is true, that time you have to print the sum. Here what is meant by sum? Sum is the calculate the values. Okay, sum is used to calculate the third, fourth, fifth, sixth values. Okay, here write the logic here. Okay, here this logic also similar to swapping operation. Okay, A equal to B, A equal to B, B equal to sum. Okay, sum equal to A plus B. Okay, here increment the loop I equal to I plus 1. Okay, this is the simple logic of Fibonacci series. Okay, try to execute. Okay, run this program. Indentation errors. Okay, here give the size of Fibonacci series 6. Okay, it prints like this 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, ఇక్కడ మనకి సింగిల్ లైన్ లో రావాలి కాబట్టి here use the end. With space, double quotes. Within the double quotes you have to mention the space. And size is 6. Okay, here this is the output 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, okay, try to solve this program. Hello, hello, are you completed? No one completed. Can you respond? How many of you completed this program?
Completed, ma'am.
Remaining? Hello,
Completed, ma'am.
only 2 persons completed. What about remaining? What about remaining?
Done, madam.
Okay.
I'm 23%.
నేను అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకోవట్లేదమ్మా. హలో,
Okay.
నెక్స్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చూడండి. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ 14.
మ్యామ్ ఇది రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఒక్కటే చేస్తే చాలు కదా మ్యామ్, అప్లికేషన్ ఫామ్ అదేమీ ఫిల్ చేయక్కర్లేదు కదా?
1 మినిట్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఒకటేమో రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఒక ఫామ్ ఉంటుంది. జస్ట్ మినిట్.
అవును మ్యామ్, రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ మొత్తం అయిపోయాక మెయిల్ కి రిజిస్టర్ అని వస్తుంది.
అండ్ నెక్స్ట్
తర్వాత
కోడ్ బీటా
అప్లికేషన్ అయితే ఏం ఫిల్ చేయక్కర్లేదు కదా మ్యామ్?
లేదమ్మా, లేదు. ఇక్కడ మీరు PDF లో చూసినట్లయితే PDF
మ్యామ్ ఈ కోడ్ వీటా ఎందుకు మ్యామ్?
మీకు TCS డ్రైవ్ జరిగినప్పుడు ఆ డ్రైవ్ ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుంది మీకు ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తుంది. ముందుగా రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు మీరు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా, మీరు ఈ 2 కంపల్సరీగా చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ TCS ఐడి రిఫరెన్స్. ఓకే, TCS ఐడి క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చి TCS కోడ్ విటా రిజిస్ట్రేషన్. ఈ 2 చేయాలమ్మా. ఓకే, ఇవి 2 డిఫరెంట్ లింక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ రిఫరెన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ రిఫరెన్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత కోడ్ బీటా రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఇవి 2 ప్రాసెసెస్, నాట్ ఏ 1 ప్రాసెస్. ఓకే, ఈ TCS ఐడి క్రియేట్ అయిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ కోడ్ బీటా రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఉంటుంది, సపరేట్ లింక్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ మీరు గైడ్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారో లేదో, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, కోడ్ బీటా రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ అని ఉంది చూడండి. ఇక్కడ మళ్ళా లింక్ ఇచ్చారు. ఈ లింక్ లోకి వెళ్ళి మీరు రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ రిజిస్టర్ నౌ అని వస్తుంది చూడండి, రిజిస్టర్ నౌ. ఇక్కడ మీరు మీ మెయిల్ ఐడితో ఆల్రెడీ రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి క్రియేట్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు మెయిల్ ఐడి ఇచ్చుంటారు. ఆ మెయిల్ ఐడితో లాగిన్ అవ్వాలి. ఆ మెయిల్ ఐడి అండ్ పాస్వర్డ్. ఇక్కడ యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్లిక్ ఆన్ రిజిస్టర్, నాట్ ఏ న్యూ యూజర్. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్లిక్ ఆన్ రిజిస్టర్. రిజిస్టర్ ని క్లిక్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ మీకు ఏమడుగుతుందంటే ఇండియానా రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద వరల్డ్ అని అడుగుతుంది. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఇండియా. ఇండియా అని ఇవ్వగానే మీకు ఇక్కడ సమ్ డీటెయిల్స్ అడుగుతుంది చూడండి. ఇండియా అని ఇవ్వగానే మీకు డీటెయిల్స్, ఫస్ట్ నేమ్, లాస్ట్ నేమ్, మెయిల్ ఐడి, మీరు అక్కడ రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడిలో ఏదైతే మెన్షన్ చేస్తున్నారో ఐడి, సేమ్ మెయిల్ ఐడి. ఓకే,
పర్సనల్ మెయిల్ ఐడి వచ్చా
అమ్మ? మీకు మన డొమైన్ ఐడితో క్రియేట్ అవ్వకపోతే ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటేనే పర్సనల్ ఇవ్వండి. ఓకే, రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడిలో ఏదైతే ఇచ్చారో సేమ్ అదే ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకే, రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు మెయిల్ ఐడి ఏవైతే ఇచ్చారో డీటెయిల్స్ అదే ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ యూజర్ నేమ్, మీ నేమ్ అమ్మ. మీ నేమ్ కొందరికి యాజ్ టీజ్ గా తీసుకోవట్లేదు. సో అలా తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే మీ నేమ్ పక్కన సమ్ నెంబర్స్ యాడ్ చేయండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నా నేమ్ అది తీసుకోలేదు, ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జిస్టెడ్ అనో సమ్ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది, కొందరికి వచ్చిందండి. ఇప్పుడు నా నేమ్ తీసుకోవట్లేదు, అప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, మీ నేమ్ పక్కన సమ్ నెంబర్స్ ఇట్లా యాడ్ చేసి 1 2 3 ఇట్లాగా సమ్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ స్పెషల్ సింబల్స్. ఓకే, ఇలా యాడ్ చేసి ఇవ్వండి, తీసుకుంటుంది డెఫినెట్ గా. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి పాస్వర్డ్. మీరు మెయిల్ కి ఏదైతే పాస్వర్డ్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారో అదే పెట్టుకోండి. మీరు ఈ డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని మర్చిపోకుండా. కాబట్టి మీరు ఆల్రెడీ మీ మెయిల్ కి పాస్వర్డ్ ఇస్తున్నారు కదా, ఆ పాస్వర్డ్ యూజ్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, న్యూ పాస్వర్డ్స్ ఇచ్చి మర్చిపోకండి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కన్ఫర్మ్ పాస్వర్డ్. ఓకే, అండ్ రిజిస్టర్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ మీకు రిజిస్టర్ అవగానే మరలా మీకు ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ సెలెక్ట్ యువర్ రీజియన్ అని అడుగుతుంది. ఇక్కడ మీ రీజియన్ ఇండియా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి, ఇండియా. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి టర్మ్స్ అండ్ కండిషన్స్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయండి, యాక్సెప్ట్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి ఇక్కడ మీకు వెరిఫికేషన్ మెయిల్ వస్తుంది, మీకు రిజిస్టర్ అయినట్లు వెరిఫికేషన్ యు గాట్ మెయిల్ ఫ్రమ్ టీసీఎస్. ఓకే, టీసీఎస్ నుంచి వెరిఫికేషన్ మెయిల్ వస్తుంది. ఈ మెయిల్లో చూడండి మీకు ఒక లింక్ వస్తుంది, క్లిక్ ఆన్ దట్ లింక్. ఆ లింక్ మీరు ఓపెన్ చేయగానే ఇలా టైమర్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఈ టైమర్ చూడండి, ఈ విత్ ఇన్ ద 5 minutes లో ఈ డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని ఫిల్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్, అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ అండ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ నేమ్ మీరు డైరెక్ట్ గా టైప్ చేస్తే తీసుకోదండి, మీరు సపరేట్ గా నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ఆర్ వర్డ్ ప్యాడ్ దేనిలో అయినా టైప్ చేసుకొని దాన్ని కాపీ చేసి పేస్ట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి సిటీడిటి రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి మీన్స్ ఫస్ట్ మీరు క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నారు రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నారు కదా, ఆ ఐడి ఇక్కడ పేస్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మీరు ఫస్ట్ రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నారు కదా, ఆ రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి మీరు నోట్ చేసి పెట్టుకోండి, డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్, లేకపోతే ఫోటో తీసుకొని పెట్టుకోండి. ఓకే, ఆ ఐడి మీకు ఉంటేనే ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఈ దీనిలోకి లాగిన్ అవ్వాలన్నా సమ్ ఏదైనా డీటెయిల్స్ తెలుసుకోవాలన్నా టీసీఎస్ గురించి, ఓకే, ఆ త్రూ లాగిన్ ఐడి ద్వారా లాగిన్ అవ్వచ్చు. సో ఈ రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి మ్యాండేటరీ. ఓకే, మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ గా ఫోటోను లేకుంటే నోట్ చేసి పెట్టుకోండి. అండ్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ సేవ్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి సేవ్ ఇవ్వగానే మీకు ఇక్కడ మొబైల్ ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి మొబైల్ కి వెరిఫికేషన్ ఓటీపీ వస్తుంది. ఆ ఓటీపీ ఇవ్వగానే మరలా ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫామ్ ఓపెన్ అయింది చూడండి. చూడండి మీ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ కి ఆ ఓటీపీ ఇవ్వగానే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా వెరిఫై అయి సక్సెస్ అయితే ఇలా వస్తుంది, ఫోన్ నెంబర్ వెరిఫికేషన్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇవన్నీ ప్రీవియస్ దేనమ్మా. ఓకే, ఇలా మీకు ఇవన్నీ లాస్ట్ కి ఫైనల్ గా మీకు ఏమొస్తుందంటే ఇట్లాగా లాస్ట్ పేజ్ 100% సక్సెస్ఫుల్. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 100% సక్సెస్ఫుల్ అని వస్తుంది. ఇలా వస్తేనే మీరు సక్సెస్ఫుల్ గా మీ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ కంప్లీట్ చేసినట్లు. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీషన్ ఆఫ్ ద రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ you have to fill up the Google form. Google form, how many members fill up the Google form?
మ్యామ్ మెయిల్ వచ్చింది మ్యామ్, మెయిల్ తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి మ్యామ్?
వెరిఫికేషన్ మెయిల్ వచ్చిందా?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
ఆ మెయిల్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి. మెయిల్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే దానిలో ఒక లింక్ ఉంటుంది.
నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ లింకా మ్యామ్?
ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా, మెయిల్ వెరిఫికేషన్ ఇలా వస్తుంది. ఆ మెయిల్ ఓపెన్ చేయగానే ఇలాగా లింక్ టు ఈమెయిల్ అడ్రస్ వెరిఫికేషన్ అని ఒక లింక్ ఎనేబుల్ అయి ఉంటుంది చూడండి. అమ్మ నన్ను గ్రూప్ లో యాడ్ చేయండి, మీకు ఒక గూగుల్ ఫామ్ సెండ్ చేస్తాను, అది ఫిల్ చేయండి. సిఆర్ ఉన్నారమ్మా?
మ్యామ్ మీ నంబర్ చెప్పండి.
ఓకే, చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పెడుతున్నాను. ఓకే, ఈ నెంబర్ని యాడ్ చేయండి, నేను గూగుల్ ఫామ్ సెండ్ చేస్తాను, ఆ గూగుల్ ఫామ్ ఫిల్ చేయండి. ఓకే, మీరు ఇదంతా ఎప్పుడు చేయాలండి? ఈ రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ టోటల్ కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఈ గూగుల్ ఫామ్ ఫిల్ చేయాలి.
మ్యామ్ నేను మిమ్మల్ని యాడ్ చేశాను.
ఓకే ఓకే.
మ్యామ్ మాకు ఓన్లీ నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ tcs.com లింక్ ఒకటే వచ్చింది మ్యామ్.
ఏంటమ్మా ఈ లింక్ రాలేదా మీకు వెరిఫికేషన్ లింక్ అని?
అది రాలేదు మ్యామ్. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ .tcs.com వచ్చింది మ్యామ్.
మీరు చూడండి కొందరు రాంగ్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎక్కడంటే ఇక్కడ న్యూ యూజర్ క్లిక్ చేశారా మీరు స్టార్టింగ్ లో? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఈమెయిల్ అండ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు న్యూ యూజర్ కాదండి, రిజిస్టర్ ప్రెస్ చేయాలి. రిజిస్టర్ అక్కడ రాంగ్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండమ్మా. ఈ పేజ్ రావాలంటే మళ్ళీ స్టార్టింగ్ ఏం చేయాలి? కోడ్ బీటా రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ స్టార్టింగ్ లింక్ లోకి వెళ్ళి చేయాలి. ఓకే క్లియర్ అయిందమ్మా? హలో
మ్యామ్ యూజర్ ఐడి కొట్టాలా మ్యామ్, లేకపోతే రిజిస్టర్ అని చేయాలా?
ఆహాహా, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, రిజిస్టర్ అని ఇవ్వండి. రిజిస్టర్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి. ఈ డీటెయిల్స్ ఏమి ఇవ్వకుండా ఫస్ట్ రిజిస్టర్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి అమ్మా.
మ్యామ్ ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో ఇయర్ ఆఫ్ పాసింగ్ 2025 ఎట్ ఉంది.
అవునమ్మా, మీరు 25కే వస్తారు కదా. జస్ట్ ఏ మినిట్.
యూజర్ నేమ్ ఏం పెట్టాలి మ్యామ్?
Two, ma'am.
Hello, number 35. What is your problem, ma'am?
మ్యామ్ నాకు కూడా రావట్లే మ్యామ్.
Problem ఏంటి?
And same problem for me too, ma'am.
అంటే ఇన్వాలిడ్ వస్తుందా లేకపోతే ఏంటి?
You need to verify your email address to activate your account. In case the message is not in your inbox, please check in spam folder. చెక్ చేసిన మ్యామ్, లేదు స్పామ్ లో కూడా.
అవునా, వెయిట్ చేయండి, లేకుంటే ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ అలా వెయిట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ క్రియేట్ చేయండి, లేకుంటే.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
హలో, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చూడమ్మా. పాలిండ్రోమ్ program. Program to find given number is palindrome or not. Input should be a number and output is either palindrome or not palindrome. What is meant by palindrome? What is meant by palindrome? Hello.
The reverse of the number should also be the same one, same value.
Okay, fine. Okay, palindrome is nothing but a number. This number is equal to reverse number of a given number. Okay. Okay, this is the number. I will explain. This is the number. Okay. This number is equal to reverse number of this number. Okay. What is the reverse number of given number? 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. Okay. Both numbers are same. Reverse number and given number, both numbers are same. Okay, this is nothing but a palindrome number. Okay, how to find out the reverse number? How to find out the reverse number? What is the logic? Okay, I will explain. First, you have to take input variable, one input variable, int input. Okay, before going to code, I will explain through example. Okay, this is the number. Okay, first you have to find out the reverse number. That's why first you have to separate the individual digits of given number. Okay, first you have to perform the individual digits of given number. Okay, what is the formula to find out the individual digits? That's why you have to find out the remainder first. My year of graduation 2025 కదా మీది. ఇంకా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? హలో, మీ గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ఇయర్ 2025. వెరిఫికేషన్ మెయిల్ ఇంకా రాని వాళ్ళు ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ వెయిట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ట్రై చేయండి. ఇంకా కోడ్ బిటా డౌట్స్? ఎవరెవరు రిజిస్టర్ అవ్వలేదు? రైజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్. హూ ఆర్ నాట్ రిజిస్టర్డ్, those persons are raised your hands first. Hello, number 9 and 20, 47, 42, 9, 20, 47, 42, 35, 59 and 10. 7 persons. ఓకే, ఇంకా 7 members రిజిస్టర్ అవ్వలేదు. Remaining persons, are you completed? Remaining persons, are you successfully completed your registration? మీకు ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తున్నాయమ్మా? 9, 20, 47.
మ్యామ్, హలో
47. యా టెల్ మీ.
మ్యామ్, నేను ఇయర్ ఆఫ్ పాసింగ్ మిస్టేక్ పెట్టా మ్యామ్. చేంజ్ చేయొచ్చా?
ఎడిట్ ఆప్షన్ ఏం లేదు కదా? ఎడిట్ ఉందా?
లేదు మ్యామ్,
లేదు కదా?
కనిపించలా.
ఓకే, లీవ్. మీకు టీసీఎస్ సైట్లోకి లాగిన్ అయినప్పుడు మీ ప్రొఫైల్ ఏదైనా ఎడిట్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఉంటే అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్ అక్కడ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, నాట్ ఏ ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, ఇంకా హలో, నెంబర్ 11. $35, $42. ఇంకా ప్రాసెస్ లో ఉన్నారా? ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏమైనా ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నారా? హలో
మ్యామ్, ఆ మెయిల్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అది రావట్లేదు మ్యామ్. ఇన్వాలిడ్ అని వస్తుంది.
మెయిల్ పాస్వర్డా?
అవును మ్యామ్, డొమైన్ మెయిల్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు రావట్లేదు మ్యామ్.
మీరు రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు కూడా పాస్వర్డ్ ఇచ్చారు కదా, లేకపోతే రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నారా? ఆ ప్రాసెస్ లో ఉన్నారా?
ఫస్ట్ దగ్గరనే ఉన్నా మ్యామ్, రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ కావలేదు.
ఓకే, రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నారా?
అవును మ్యామ్.
ఓకే, మీ చూడండి ప్రాసెస్ చెప్తాను. అక్కడ చూడండి, పాస్వర్డ్ మీకు 8 క్యారెక్టర్స్ లెంత్ తీసుకుంటుంది. ఓన్లీ 8 క్యారెక్టర్స్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్
Okay, ma'am.
క్యారెక్టర్ స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తాను చూడండి, ఇక్కడ నా నేమ్ ఇస్తున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్, అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ వన్ స్పెషల్ సింబల్ అండ్ టేక్ వన్ మోర్ ఆల్సో, టేక్ ఇంటీజర్. ఓకే, టోటల్లీ 8 క్యారెక్టర్స్ లెంత్ ఉండాలి. స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ ఉండాలి, ఒక స్పెషల్ సింబల్ ఉండాలి, అండ్ 1 ఇంటీజర్ మెన్షన్ చేయండి.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
టోటల్ క్యారెక్టర్ లెంత్ 8. నాది ఇప్పుడు 8 వచ్చేసినాయా? ఓకే, 8 ఇలా ఉండాలి. ఇలా ఉంటే యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుందమ్మా.
ఓకే మ్యామ్, ట్రై చేసి.
నెక్స్ట్, ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్? టీసీఎస్ రిఫరెన్స్ నెంబర్ కొందరికి మెయిల్ వస్తుంది, కొందరికి మెయిల్ రావట్లేదు. సో మీరేం చేస్తారంటే, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, మీకు రిఫరెన్స్ నెంబర్ ఇక్కడ జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. ఇది ఫోటో తీసి పెట్టుకోండి అమ్మా. కొందరికి మెయిల్ వస్తుంది, కొందరికి మెయిల్ రావట్లేదు. టీసీఎస్ రిఫరెన్స్ నెంబర్ చూడండి అమ్మా, మీకు ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రాసెస్ మీకు ఇట్లా రిఫరెన్స్ నెంబర్ ఒకటి వస్తుంది. ఈ రిఫరెన్స్ నెంబర్ ఫోటో తీసి పెట్టుకోండి, లేకుంటే నోట్ చేసి పెట్టుకోండి.
సారీ మ్యామ్, కమ్ అగైన్.
మేడం, మేము తీసుకోలేదు మేడం ఫోటో.
రిఫరెన్స్ నెంబర్ నోట్ చేసుకున్నారా మరి?
లేదు మేడం.
మరి ఎలా? రిఫరెన్స్ నెంబర్ ఉంటేనే కదా మళ్ళీ రీలాగిన్ అవడానికి సైట్ లోకి.
లాగిన్ డైరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది మేము యూజర్ నేమ్ టైప్ చేస్తుంటే.
ఇది కూడా ఉండాలమ్మా ఫర్ ఫ్యూచర్ పర్పసెస్. మరి చూడండి, అవును, ఇక్కడ ఎలా చేశారు? కోడ్ బిటా రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ లో ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద వెరిఫికేషన్ అడుగుతుంది కదా రిఫరెన్స్ నెంబర్, అక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు మరి?
అక్కడ కాపీ చేసి పేస్ట్ చేసేసాను.
రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ గా మీరు నోట్ చేసి పెట్టుకోవాలమ్మా. ఓకే,
మ్యామ్ ఆ రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి ఎలా వచ్చింది మేడం?
రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి మీకు ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రాసెస్ మీకు చూపిస్తుందమ్మా. కొందరికి మెయిల్ వస్తుంది, కొందరికి రావట్లేదు అది.
నాకు రాలేదు మ్యామ్.
అదే చెప్తున్నాను, కొందరికి వస్తుంది కొందరికి రావట్లేదు. ఈ నోట్ చేసి పెట్టుకోవడమే, చేసేది ఏం లేదు. ఓకే, ఇది ఫోటో తీసుకొని లేకపోతే నోట్ చేసి పెట్టుకోవాలి రిఫరెన్స్ ఐడి. ఓకే మా, you have any doubts? You have any doubts, contact me through WhatsApp.
ma'am.
Okay.
I'm not able to enter college name, ma'am.
Ah.
Not taking actually.
First you
Can I
have
share?
to
Can I share my screen?
what is the error showing?
I'm not able to enter college name.
Okay. First you have to type the institute name in the notepad or wattpad. Okay, first
Yeah.
you have to type the our institute name in the notepad or wattpad.
Yeah.
Copy and paste this on that particular column.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Ma'am, we can directly enter, ma'am. If we type arrow AERO, it will be directly showing, ma'am.
Sometimes it's showing, sometimes it's hanging. So many problems, ma. That's why copy and paste. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, you have any doubts, contact to me. Okay, thank you. I will exit this session.
Ma'am,
Bye. Attendance. Starting with roll number 1. Roll number 1. Please give the attendance. 1.
Yes, ma'am.
2.
Yes ma'am.
3. Number 3. 4. 5. 6. 7.
Yes, ma'am.
8.
Present, ma'am.
9.
Present, ma'am.
10. 11.
Present, ma'am.
12. 12. Number 12. Number 12. Number 13. 14.
Present, ma'am.
15.
Present, ma'am.
16. Number 16. 17. Number 17, ma. 18.
Present, ma'am.
19. 20.
Present, ma'am.
21.
Present, ma'am.
22. Number 22. 23. 24. 25. 26.
Present, ma'am.
27.
Present, ma'am.
28.
Present, ma'am.
29.
28.
29. 30. 31.
Present, ma'am.
32. 33. 34. 35.
Present, ma'am.
36. 37. 38. 39. 40.
Present, ma'am.
41. 41. 42. 43. 42 present.
Present.
43. 44.
Present, ma'am.
45. Number 45. 46.
Present, ma'am.
47.
Present, ma'am.
48. 48. 49. 50, 51, 52,
Ma'am, 24 present.
52, 53, 54, 55,
Ma'am, 24.
56. Vesanamma. 56, 57,
Present, ma'am.
58, 59,
Present, ma'am.
60, 61,
Present, ma'am.
62, 62, 63, 63, 64,
Present, ma'am.
65.
Present, madam.
Okay.
Ma'am, 12 present.
Okay. Anybody? Number 14 present. Number 14 present, ma. Okay. 34 present. 25 present. Okay.
Ma'am,
Nine.
56 present, ma'am.
Okay. Number 12 present. Okay, ma.
I'm
17
32
present.
present, ma'am. 32
Okay.
present.
Okay.
56 present, ma'am.
Okay. Number 13 present. Okay. Anybody?
56 present, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Present. 31. Okay, present. 53. ఓకే చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పెడుతున్నారు కదా నేను అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తున్నాను 53 ఓకే ప్రెజెంట్ ఓకే మా
23 present, ma'am.
ఓకే 23 ప్రెజెంట్
Ma'am, 22 also present, ma'am.
ఓకే 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 I want to quit the session. Okay, bye ma. Bye. 45, 55 present. Okay. All are present. 24 also present. Okay.
No, ma'am. No.
Ah.
No, I'm not getting OTP, ma'am. It's showing sending failed.
అయిపోయింది అయిపోయింది జస్ట్ ఏ మినిట్ మా
Yeah, ma'am.
ఓటీపీ రావట్లేదా మీకు
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
మొబైల్ కి ఓటీపీ రావట్లేదా
Yes, ma'am. It's showing that you can't validate other phone number now.
అదర్ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చి చూడండి అమ్మా ఓకే ఓకే నేను నాకు కాల్ చేయండి అమ్మా నేను మాట్లాడతాను ఓకే
Okay,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am. ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ నేమ్ వస్తలేదు మ్యామ్
అదేనమ్మా నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో టైప్ చేసుకొని కాపీ చేసుకొని పేస్ట్ చేయండి
ఓకే మ్యామ్
ఓకేనా ఎనీ డౌట్స్ కాల్ టు మీ ఓకే
Can I get your number?
Ma'am, 550 present, ma'am.
ఓకే అమ్మా ఓకే ఓకే చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పెట్టానమ్మా చూడండి
Okay, ma'am.